Hey, so good morning, everybody. Welcome back, and hopefully you're having a great day wherever you're at in the world. Let's get right into our how-to video with our drywall, and we want to show you a couple things. Check this out. So this is a finished kitchen. Okay, just wrapped this up yesterday, along with numerous other things in the house. But if a beautiful finish is what you are looking for, we want to show you a couple things. We saved this room in here on purpose. It's very small, very tight quarters. It is just literally just a half bath. We've got a vanity that's going to go in right here. And we've got a toilet and everything going in right here. So it's as small as they come. The reason it is this small is this used to be actually the main entrance in the bathroom, shot all the way through. We had built this wall, so in behind this now is our new custom shower and everything that's going to be going into play. But we want to tune you into something. We already have all the drywall hung. Hanging everything is very crucial. The tighter you can get stuff, the better. And this is none other than just a pre-fill coat, okay? The whole purpose behind a pre-fill coat is just to block the air in the corners here, which you probably already knew that. And, that way when you go to apply your tape here later on, you don't have any problems of blistering, air pockets, anything like that. What I want to show you in getting started, we're going to do a how-to on this entire bathroom here. Step one, a lot of times when you do a pre-fill coat, it does not turn out as good as you had hoped for due to the nature of the hanging, however old the house is, if your studs are all in line, all those things play a role. So prime example right over here. We pre-filled this, and as usual, it already kind of cracked there. So we got a little bit of an airflow, but I want to show you the worst spot in the room that I feel is right here where this intersection hits. Okay, our two tapered edges hit right here in the corner, and we have a bunch of, just from our screws, everything else, just a bunch of little kind of damage right through here, if you will. And we don't want to sit here and put paper tape in here right now with all the 3D-like effects. It's going to cause air to get in behind here, and you're going to be fighting this for a number of coats after the initial coats that it actually takes to finish this out. So I picked this corner on purpose because I want to show you a lot of people probably have to deal with similar things just like this. So I want to show you what we do. Just because you do a pre-fill coat does not mean it's actually ready for the tape. So I want to point out to you on our mud that we use, I've got some water sitting right here. We're going to get to that in just a second. But I want to show you the mud here we use. This is the +3. It's common around the world. Everybody knows about it. Right on the back here, a lot of people know this. Probably a lot don't. Right here on number 3. After compound dries, sand with a wet sponge to eliminate dust. Or use 150 grit or finer sandpaper or 220 grit or finer abrasive mesh cloth. Avoid scuffing panel paper. So, in other words, avoid scuffing the drywall itself where there's nothing going on. But one really cool thing I want to show you, down in this water is just that, a sponge. And what I want to do right here is I want to show you something. So as you can see, most people would probably get out a sanding block to that nature and actually go about this. I want to get up close because on that pre-fill, I really want you to see what's going on there. Now, I damped this, dipped it down in the water and wrung it out, and I want to show you. Watch this. So just by taking a damp sponge, look how much cleaner, nicer this area is now. Okay, and that's the same method as we're going to do right over here in this corner. And then I'm actually going to put another pre-fill coat on just to get this guy really smooth over here in the corner so that we're not fighting the blisters and the air pockets. So again, I'm going to hold it right here, what looks rough at the moment. Just like that. Now we have a lot better working condition to redo this right here and make this all a lot better. So you can see that's 1,000 times better than what it just was. So the problem is, if you would have put your tape in mud, even though if you put plenty of mud in here and firmly press that tape in to get all that air, there was so much 3D action from all this intersecting and hooking into the sidewall that you would have really had a lot of problems with blistering and air pockets, no doubt. So with this particular mud, the damp sponge is definitely the way to go. You know, we have finished out a lot of our projects just using the damp sponge only. If you go to a sanding block, you know, whatever you're using to sand out, always make sure it's at least 220. I even go a step higher at 320, because when you are getting edge work, if this was my finish line right here, in getting this line, you are going to have to get on the original drywall, and a 320 or a damp sponge with this particular mud works so much better. It smooths and does not tear up the face of the drywall. So that is about as smooth as they come now. It's going to make our paper tape application that much more better. You know, drywall is not hard. It's just a matter of knowing how and taking the proper steps along the way. Be sure and check out our channel. We have over 200 videos there to help you out at home, from custom made epoxy countertops to custom bathrooms, kitchens, flooring, installing doors. We're going to take our time right now and walk you through this entire bathroom process so that you too can do this yourself. So until the next one, hope everybody has a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you back real soon.